dimmed the lights in Charlottetown, said this can't happen here, where incense once went rising up. The doors are locked this year. They took the rail, they took the place, they smiled and called it peace. But something holy in our bones refused to bow or cease. From Knoxville roads to Johnson City, winter hears our prayer. In Chattanooga's silent streets, the bells are stripped of air. They say be grateful, don't be loud, there's other ways to pray. But doors don't close without a sound when hope is sent away. No room at the inn, no place to stay, so we'll sing in the cold till the cold feels like grace. If they send us outside, we'll follow him there, for he was born in a stable, not welcomed anywhere. Let the world shut its doors, let the night draw thin. No room at the inn, still room for him. Detroit halls, the candles fade by memo, date and seal. A deadline set, a paper sign declaring what is real. But shepherds never asked to rule, they ran through fear and snow to find the God the world refused in places no one goes. No room at the inn, no place to stay, so we'll sing in the cold till the cold feels like grace. If they send us outside, we'll follow him there, where he was born in a stable, not welcomed anywhere. Let the world shut its doors, let the night draw thin. No room at the inn, still room for him. Let the buildings go dark, let the powerful laugh. A candle still burns when the lights all go black. A child split the night with his first sacred breath, and the faithful still kneel in the bite of the air. No room at the inn, no place to stay, so we'll sing in the cold till the cold feels like rain. If they send us outside, we'll follow him there, for he was born in a stable, not welcomed anywhere. Let the world shut its doors, let the night draw thin. No room at the inn, still room for him. He came to